Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to take apart and replace the screen on your LG Stylo 2 Plus. So I'm going to be showing you how to take it apart and replace the LCD and glass screen assembly. Alright, first thing you want to do is we're going to remove the stylus. Alright, let's remove the back cover. Alright, then we're going to remove the battery. Alright, let's remove the SD card and SIM card if we have one in here. Alright, once you have all that removed, we're going to be using a small Phillips head screwdriver. And we're going to be removing all of the Phillips head screws holding on the back housing. Alright, so once we have all of the small Phillips head screws removed, we're going to go ahead and lift up the back housing. So you can use a prying tool, or you can also use your nail. You're going to have to give it some pressure though. We're going to try and get down here by where the charging port is. Let's squeeze the nail in there and lift up to remove some of the clips. And you'll see it will come out. So let's give it pressure. There you go, the bottom portion comes off. Okay. Okay, so here's the motherboard and all of the small parts on the phone. So let's go ahead and remove the motherboard. Let's disconnect the LCD cable down here. The cameras, the rear camera. Alright, once you have those three cables disconnected, you should be able to lift up on the motherboard. Okay, and it comes right out. Alright, so it depends how your LCD came. You can either order just the LCD and glass screen assembly, or you can order the whole screen assembly like this, which will come with the frame as well. Alright, so I'm going to be showing you how to take apart all the small pieces to place it on the new frame if you ordered it with the frame. Alright, so let's go ahead and remove these small parts. Let's give it some pressure here. To remove the camera. Front camera comes out. The rear camera comes right out as well. Let's remove the ear speaker. And the vibrator motor. And then the headphone jack comes out really simple. Okay, so this is how the frame would come. And if you have just the LCD, you would place the LCD here and squeeze the LCD cable through the bottom down here. Alright, so okay, so if you did order the whole frame, I'm going to show you how to put it back together now. Let's place the front camera. Alright, so once all the flex cables are connected, we're going to go ahead and place the back housing cover back on. Okay, so to place the back housing cover back on, we're going to have to put it together like this first, because it's going to have these little brackets that they have to fall in place. Alright, so once you have it ready like this, we're going to place it on there. Oh, it's backwards. Look at this. Alright, and we're just going to give it pressure around the sides so that all the clips can fall back in their place. Alright, so looks like all the clips are back in their places. So now we're going to go ahead and place all of the Phillips head screws back on. Alright, so once you have all of the Phillips head screws back in, you can go ahead and just place the battery and the back cover back on. Alright, and the stylus back in. Alright, so I hope this video helped you out. That's how you replace the LCD on your LG Stylo 2 Plus. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe for more videos like this. Till next time, peace.